Hey guys, well I got the piston up where I want it. Basically, I shored it up. I put the cinder blocks and some wood, and the reason I'm doing that is to let the weight sit on the cinder blocks. So when I'm torquing out I'll show you the hose I'm replacing. This is the fitting right here. I gotta heat that up. And then sorry, I was sweating on the camera, so I was just trying to keep the sweat off the camera. Yeah, and the reason for the cinder blocks is because when I turn this, after I heat it up, when I turn this, I don't want the whole lift to turn at the same time. So while it's on the weight, I'll be able to turn this without the piston shimmying or shaking and having possibly something snap. So I'm halfway through. I'll be finishing this up tomorrow most likely. So I'll heat that up and take it apart here. So like I said, it's about 12 feet. So that's about it.